Have you ever opened your phone to check just one message, and suddenly it's 45 minutes later, you've watched 3 reels, 2 cat videos, and bought socks you didn't even need? You're not alone. You're not lazy. You're not broken. But something is hijacking your brain. And today I'll show you what it is and how to take back control. This is Max. Max is smart. He has big dreams. But there's one problem. He can't focus for more than 5 minutes. He tries to read a book, ding, notification, tries to study, suddenly scrolling TikTok, sits to work, ends up watching YouTube tutorials about productivity. Ironic, right? Max is constantly distracted, and it's driving him crazy. One day, frustrated and exhausted, Max takes a walk and stumbles upon an old man meditating under a tree. "Why can't I focus?" Max shouts. The old man opens one eye and says, "Your mind is not the problem. The world is full of noise because you left the door wide open." Max blinks. "Door?" The mentor smiles. "Let me show you," he says. "There are 3 traps stealing your attention. Trap number 1, the notification loop. Every buzz, beep, and ping is a hit of dopamine. It feels good, but it pulls you away from what matters. Solution? Turn off non-essential notifications. Reclaim your silence. Trap number 2, the multitasking myth. You think doing many things at once makes you productive, but really it fractures your brain. Solution? 1 task, full focus, then move on. Trap number 3, the endless scroll. Social media never ends. It's a trap with no bottom. Solution? Schedule your scroll. Limit your time. Use the app. Don't let it use you. Max goes home. He turns off notifications. He sets 25-minute timers. He works on one thing at a time. It feels strange at first, but something magical happens. Max finishes his work, reads more books, sleeps better. He's no longer ruled by distractions. He's finally in control. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overwhelmed. But when you remove the noise and take charge of your focus, you become unstoppable. You don't need more hours, you need fewer distractions. If this story helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more motivational stories and focus hacks, only here on StickMan DBS. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, stay powerful, explosion